Hey everybody, today is Tuesday, May 26th, 2020. Hope you had a nice Memorial Day weekend and you had fun. You got to go outside, and today's going to be a hot one. Maybe you get to turn on your sprinkler. Maybe you're lucky enough to have a pool you can enjoy, so enjoy your outdoors here. This week is all about catching up on anything you may not have turned in. I know I'm still waiting on some Dragon projects for some people to send in. I will be sending out photos of people who sent me their project pics over the weekend. So thank you to all of you who've done that and flown your dragons, and you've developed fun games with them on your own and activities you can do with them with siblings or even parents I saw out there. All right, so today's message is be accepting. Okay, so for example, I kind of wanted to say hi to a friend, and I was doing yard work all day yesterday, and even though I was hot, sweaty, and stinky, my friend said, "Okay, come social distancing wise, come say hi," and they were very accepting of me, even though I probably smelled bad and was sweaty and so anyways, be accepting of differences. Maybe someone's working hard and they're a little sweaty, but you don't have to give them a hug. You can just talk with them and maybe give them a nice iced tea or something fun. All right, thank you. All right, weird but true too. You can call home from an ice telephone booth at a festival in Alaska, USA. The world's tiniest seashore is smaller than a postage stamp. The largest hurricanes can measure 10 miles from top to bottom. Wow, 10 miles. And the largest salamanders can grow as long as bicycles. Well, I guess we're not picking up a rock or a dead tree of seeing that kind of salamander, are we? Okay, the first extra credit question will go with this salamander fact here. Let's say that salamander is 5.5 feet long. How many feet long would it be from end to end if you found 4 of those and you got to put them from head to tail against each other? If you found 4 of those and they were 5.5 feet long, how long would that be? Or 5.5 feet? All right. So again, the Dragon projects, you're going to create the wings. Let me backtrack a minute. The document is on the distance learning page from the Green Valley website. You can pull up, you can print off, you can just use the information on the website and send me your pictures and your answers through email or Remind, okay? All right. So the landing launch pad, you go ahead and make it. You can fold up the edges, make it colorful, make it with pictures, put stickers on it. That's up to you. The perimeter is all the sides added together. The area, when you measure that, is length times width, so one side times the other. Never multiply across sides. Okay, for area, you're going to measure the sides that meet in the corner. Okay, you're going to meet those sides that meet at the intersection, you're going to multiply those 3 by 5, okay, or 5 by 3. All right, and then the area is always in square units. So if it's inches, which you're probably using, right, 3 by 5 would be 15 square inches. All right, extra credit question number 2. If ground meat costs $4.50 a pound and you get 3 burgers per pound, how much would it cost to make 9 burgers? Okay, so you're going to have some multiplication here or some repeated addition. That's up to you, that part. Okay, and again, be accepting. Someone might act a little different, look a little different, but if they're a good person, you get along with them, you have a lot of common interests, and you can be their friend or just maybe family member that, they're not going to be just like you, which is what makes the world kind of cool place to be. Be accepting of them and everything they have. Okay, so my memory box. I do say not all, but I do say birthday cards. I have a lot from when I was a little kid, but this one, not so long ago. At least not so long for me. But this card is probably older than all of you. It says here are 2 kinds of birthday cards. One makes you laugh. There are 2 kinds of birthday cards. One makes you laugh. The other is full of money. Happy birthday with the picture. Okay, so this one was not full of money. But the cool thing was this is when I turned 30. Okay, so if you forgot how old I was, I did tell you guys that this year. But this card is a little bit older than all of you. All right, that's it for today's video. Hope you have a wonderful day. Feel free to text or send messages through Remind or email if you have questions about assignments and any kind of pictures you'd like. And that's it. Have a great day.